Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications of places of interest, thereby receiving alerts about awe-inspiring places to explore on the Google Earth application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the settings icon that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on the settings option down below. Now scroll down to the notifications section and tap on places of interest. Now you will get alerts about the places to explore on Earth. Since the notifications have been allowed to the Google Earth application, you don't need to do anything else. Just clicking on this button, thereby turning on this function. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.